Are you broke, hungry, and short on time? These 10 cheap meals could be your saving grace. Say goodbye to expensive takeout and hello to tasty home-cooked goodness that won't break the bank. From budget-friendly breakfasts to satisfying dinners, we've got you covered. So grab your apron and get ready to whip up some deliciousness. You'll feel like a culinary genius without spending a fortune. Get ready for flavor explosions that'll leave your taste buds dancing with joy. And the best part? They're so simple, even a college student can do it. So let's get cooking. No. 1. Leftover rice with egg and frozen peas. This recipe is excellent for those nights. When you do, and have much time to spend in the kitchen, start by heating a little oil in a pan over medium heat. Add half a cup of rice and fry it for about 2 minutes until it becomes slightly crispy. This step adds texture and flavor to the rice. Next, crack 2 eggs into the pan and scramble them. Continue frying the eggs until they're almost fully cooked. Then, add a tablespoon of frozen peas. Keep frying everything together for an additional minute. Season with soy sauce for savory saltiness, and toasted sesame oil for that rich toasty flavor. And don't forget black vinegar for a touch of sourness, and some pepper for a kick. Once the rice is crispy and the eggs are cooked through, it's time to serve. And there you have it, a quick and nutritious meal that's perfect for busy weeknights. Next, we have No. 2 creamy tomato pasta with canned tuna. This dish is incredibly simple to make and is packed with protein and flavor. Start by boiling some water for your pasta. While the water is heating up, open a can of tuna and flake it into a bowl. Next, add a spoonful of tomato paste and mix it well with the tuna. In another bowl, mix up your cream cheese and milk. And once your pasta is al dente, drain it and then add it to your tuna mixture, along with your creamy tomato sauce. Toss everything together and season with salt and pepper to your liking. For an extra flavor boost, sprinkle some Italian seasoning on top. This dish comes together in minutes, making it a great option for those who are short on time. Coming up at No. 3, we have cheesy bean and rice burritos. These burritos are not only delicious, but also very filling and high in fiber, making them a great choice for a budget-friendly meal. Start by cooking some rice, according to the package instructions. While the rice is cooking, heat up some oil in a pan over medium heat. Half a cup of beans, and fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes. Season with chili powder, cumin, and salt to add some smoky flavor to your beans. Next, place a generous amount of rice on your tortillas, followed by the seasoned beans and some shredded cheese. Roll up the burritos, and you're good to go. If you're feeling extra hungry, you can even add some salsa or sour cream on top. At No. 4 we have tuna pie with potatoes and carrots. This is a hearty and comforting dish that's perfect for a cozy night in. Start by preheating your oven and greasing a pie dish. In a large bowl, combine the flaked tuna, mashed potatoes, diced carrots, onion, and milk. Mix everything together until well combined. Pour the mixture into the prepared pie dish and bake it in the oven for about 20 minutes. While the pie is baking, prepare the topping by combining the flour, butter, and water in a small bowl. Mix it until it forms a dough. Once the filling is almost cooked, remove the pie from the oven, spread the dough on top, and then bake it for an additional 15 minutes. The result is a golden-hued pie with a flaky crust and a flavorful tuna filling. Next, we have No. 5 fried rice with instant noodles. This recipe takes common pantry staples like instant noodles and transforms them into a delicious fried rice. Start by cooking the noodles according to the package instructions. While the noodles are cooking, fry an egg in a pan and set it aside. Next, add some oil to the pan and fry half a cup of rice for about 2 minutes until it's slightly crispy. Then add the cooked noodles and your fried egg. Break up the noodles and continue frying everything together for about 5 more minutes. Season with soy sauce for that rich, savory flavor and some toasted sesame oil for added depth. To serve, you can top your fried rice with chopped green onions for a fresh, vibrant flavor. Coming up at No. 6, we have lentil soup with lemon and herbs. This soup is a great source of plant-based protein and fiber, and it's also very budget-friendly. Start by onions, carrots, and celery in a large pot. Once the vegetables have softened, add lentils and broth and bring it to a boil. Reduce the heat and simmer the soup until the lentils are tender. After that, blend about half of the soup using an immersion blender or in a regular blender until smooth. This step adds a creamy texture to the soup. Stir in lemon juice and herbs like parsley and mint for a burst of freshness. Season with salt and pepper to your liking and enjoy. At number 7, we have peanut noodles with chicken and veggies. This recipe combines the creamy richness of peanut butter with the protein of chicken and the crunch of veggies for a satisfying meal. Start by boiling some water for your noodles, and while the water is heating up, slice up your chicken breast and veggies. In a pan, over medium heat, brown the chicken and set it aside. Add some oil to the pan and your veggies until they're crisp tender. In a bowl, whisk together peanut butter, soy sauce, rice, vinegar, garlic, and honey. Once the noodles are al dente, drain them and then toss them in the peanut sauce. Add the chicken and vegetables and serve it all over a nice bed of lettuce. For extra protein, you can even top it with some sliced almonds. Next, we have No. 8 Easy Tuna Salad. This classic tuna salad is a great option for those looking for a quick and easy meal. Start by combining flaked tuna, mayonnaise, chopped celery, and onion in a bowl. Mix everything together until well combined. Season with salt, pepper, and paprika for a touch of smokiness. For a more interesting presentation, you can serve the salad in lettuce cups instead of traditional bread. To do this, simply spoon the tuna salad into the cups and enjoy a lighter, fresher take on the classic dish. Coming up at No. 9, we have oatmeal with banana and nuts. This recipe is a delicious and nutritious way to start your day. It's also very customizable based on your dietary preferences. Cook your oats according to the package instructions. While the oats are cooking, mash a banana in a bowl and mix in some nuts like walnuts or almonds. Once the oats are ready, stir in the banana mixture and season with cinnamon and nutmeg for a warm, cozy flavor. For added sweetness, you can also drizzle some honey on top. This oatmeal is a great option for those who want a quick and healthy breakfast that will keep them full and satisfied. Finally, at number 10, we have sweet potato and black bean quesadillas. These quesadillas are a delicious and nutritious meal that can be made in minutes. Start by cooking sweet potatoes until they're soft and easily mashed. Mash the sweet potatoes with black beans, corn, and cheese. Season with cumin, chili powder, and salt for a tasty southwestern flavor. Lay the tortillas on a flat surface and spread the sweet potato mixture evenly over them. Roll up the tortillas and place them in a lightly greased oven-safe skillet. Bake the quesadillas in the oven until the tortillas are golden brown and the filling is heated through. Serve with salsa, sour cream, or guacamole for a quick and easy meal. And there you have it, folks. 10 more cheap meals that will save your week. We hope these recipes have inspired you to get creative in the kitchen and whip up some deliciousness without breaking the bank. Remember, you don't have to be a master chef to create mouth-watering meals. With a little creativity and some basic ingredients, you can impress yourself and your taste buds. So grab your apron, put on your favorite playlist, and get cooking. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick and budget-friendly recipes. Until next time, happy cooking and bon appetit.